Hey guys, today we will explain how to change your store name on Shopify. This process is simple and easy. The first thing is head over to your Shopify store and sign in your account on which you want to change your store name. Once you do, you will see the same interface like me. And from here, take a look on the left side, you will see multiple options like home, covers, products, customers, and much more. But from here, you have to tap on this option, settings. Once you will click on the option setting, here you will see your account setting and you can manage your all account privacy. And here you have to select the option general. Once you will select general, here you can see the option store details. From here you have to tap on the option my store with the pencil. And here you can enter your store name. So simply enter your store name. Here enter the store mobile phone number and enter the email address and click on the option save. Once you will click on the option save, then your store name will be changed. And here you can also see these details could be publicly available, so do not use your personal information. So means you don't have to enter your personal email address which you use for your own purpose. And also the mobile phone number. So once you write everything, click on the option save, then your name will be changed. And that's it.